Notion versus Obsidian versus Rome versus Evernote, best note-taking app in 2025. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing 4 of the most popular note-taking apps in 2025. Notion, Obsidian, Rome Research, and Evernote. Each of these has its unique features and strengths. Let's break them down to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Notion. Notion is a versatile all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and databases. It's highly customizable, allowing users to create everything from simple notes to complex databases and project boards. Notion excels in collaboration, making it ideal for teams or personal projects. Its clean interface and intuitive design make it easy to use, especially if you like organizing content in a variety of ways. Notion supports rich media, including embedded files, images, and videos. The main drawback is its cloud-only storage model, meaning you can't use it offline unless you pay for the mobile or desktop app's premium plans. Obsidian. Obsidian is a powerful markdown-based note-taking app with a local-first approach. It focuses on knowledge management through bidirectional linking and backlinks, allowing you to create a connected web of notes. If you're someone who enjoys organizing your thoughts and ideas with links, Obsidian is a great option. With Obsidian, you have full control over your data since everything is stored locally, and it supports a variety of plugins that let you customize the app. It's perfect for building a personal knowledge base. However, it can have a steeper learning curve due to its customizable features and markdown setup. Rome Research. Rome Research is a unique note-taking app focused on bidirectional linking and network thinking. It allows you to seamlessly link your ideas and notes together, creating a knowledge graph that makes it easy to explore connections between different pieces of information. Rome excels in the ability to visualize and track your thoughts, making it ideal for those who need to create complex relationships between ideas. However, it operates on a subscription-based cloud model, and the interface may take time to get used to. It's perfect for people who want a dynamic, interconnected system for thinking and note-taking. Evernote. Evernote is a veteran in the note-taking space, offering a traditional note-taking experience with the ability to capture text, images, audio, and even scan documents. Evernote allows you to organize your notes using notebooks and tags, and it provides powerful search features that can recognize text within images. It's available across all devices and supports offline access, making it a great option for those who need access to their notes at any time. Evernote has a simple, user-friendly interface, but compared to the other options, it's less flexible in terms of customization and linking. Comparison. Notion is perfect for people who want an all-in-one workspace for note-taking, task management, and collaboration. Obsidian is ideal for those who prioritize local storage and bidirectional linking for personal knowledge management. Rome Research is great for users who want to explore the relationships between their ideas and create a visual web of connections. Evernote is best for users who need a simple, traditional note-taking tool with powerful search capabilities and cross-device syncing. Conclusion: if you're looking for a flexible, all-in-one workspace, go for Notion. For personal knowledge management and local control of your notes, choose Obsidian. If you're into network thinking and want to create a dynamic web of ideas, Rome Research is the way to go. For a simple traditional note-taking experience, Evernote remains a reliable option. Thanks for watching. Let us know which note-taking app you prefer in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you next time.